navigation, moonroof, heated leather seats, premium sound system, backup camera, iPod MP3 input, Bluetooth, heated mirrors, luxury group, transmission, 8-speed automatic. 300S trim, billet silver metallic clear coat exterior. See more. Key features include heated leather seats, heated mirrors, backup camera, premium sound system, iPod MP3 input, Bluetooth, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, dual zone AC keyless entry, remote trunk release, child safety locks, steering wheel controls, electronic stability control option package, luxury group heated second row seats, power backlight sunshade, heated steering wheel, heated cold front console cup holder, door sill scuff pads, auto-dim exterior driver mirror, PWR multi-front mirror manual fold, power tilt and telescopic steering column, driver passenger lower LED lamps, auto-adjust and reverse exterior mirrors, radio driver seat mirrors memory, trunk mat, power adjustable pedals with memory, front and rear LED map pockets, radio, Uconnect 8.4 and CD DVD MP3/NAV Sri Travel Link, 1 year Sri Travel Link service, 8.4 touchscreen display, Garmin navigation system, 1 year Sri Travel Link service, 1 year Sri traffic service, Sirius XM traffic, dual pane panoramic sunroof, engine, 3.6 LV624 VVVT, STD, light group adaptive by Xenon HID headlamps, auto high beam headlamp control, automatic headlamp leveling system, rear fog lamps, transmission, 8-speed automatic, STD, quick order package 22G engine, 3.6 LV624 VVVT, transmission, 8-speed automatic WHOWE. Red Clint Bowyer Autoplex is a partnership between NASCAR driver Clint Bowyer and Davis Moore Auto Group in Wichita, Kansas. Formerly Emporium Motors, Bowyer once worked as a paintless dent repair specialist and detailer. The Clint Bowyer Autoplex, 2815 US Highway 50 in Emporia. Please confirm the accuracy of the included equipment by calling us prior to purchase.